Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Scholar Tech Studio. In this video, we will learn how can we create a new project in Ansys Workbench, how can we open an existing project in Ansys Workbench, and how can we import a project file into the interface of Ansys Workbench. So let's suppose we have opened the Ansys Workbench, okay, and you want to create a new project. So you will go to File, and here you can find the option New. Okay, so we have to click on it. Okay, so now it's opening the new project. So this is our new project, and you can see that we don't get any notification, and it just close the existing project and open the new project. Let me show you another scenario. Let's suppose you already have some project, you did some work in the project, and now you want to create another project. Okay, so you will go to File and then go to New. Okay, now this window will pop up. It means that in our previous project we did some modification, but we don't save. So now it's asking for let we want to save this project or not. Okay, so if you made some modification in your project and then you create a new project, then you can use the option save. So you can click this, and now you can specify the folder where you want to save this project. Let's suppose I will give the name this project as a Lec.4. Okay, and then here we have to specify the file type is wbpj. So this is the mother file. When we do some project in Ansys Workbench, then it's saved by default in this file format, and then we need to go to save. Okay, so these are some scenarios about creating a project, and uh, different scenarios like when we already have some project, and if we want to say create a new project, then these options can be follow. Okay, so the next phase is let's suppose we already have some project and someone send us a project, and now we want to open that project. So we will go to File, and then we will select the option Open. Okay, and then we have to specify the folder where we have the project file. Let's suppose I want to open lecture 3, so I just select this one. And one important thing is that by using the open option, we can open a workbench file, we can open a project file, and we can open a compressed file. This is also very important. In next lecture we will discuss about this file type, why we use wbpz, because the mother file is wbpj. But we have to sometime we have to create wbpz, so we will discuss in next lecture. So we can also use Python script to, we can open a Python script by using this open option. Okay, and in this I just want to open this project, so just select this project and then go to open. So it will take some time. Sometime our project is heavy, so it's taking time to open that project. So now you can see that it's opened our previous project, and now we can do the modification on it. Okay, so the next option is how can we import some files. Okay, so we have option is called import, so we'll select this one. Okay, so now we can specify different files. So here we can see that these are the file types that can be import into our project schematic. So here you can see that wbpz file can be import, and these are all the file types that can be import into the Ansys Workbench. Okay, and the final is if we did some modification in it, and now we want to save this project with specific name in a specific folder, then we go to File and then go to Save As option. Okay, now we can specify the folder. where we want to save this one. Let's suppose I want to save here, and now we have to specify the name. So I gave just Lec.4, okay, and then we will go to save. So in this video we learn how can we create a new project and what are the scenarios for creating a new project. We are working with project and now we want to create another project. We want to create a new project, so I discussed all the condition and how can we import the files, and finally how can we save our project in a specific folder with specific name. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my upcoming video.